Good morning children. Saira. Today we will do English New Voices. We'll continue with our chapter 12 Down the Rabbit Hole. This chapter is an extract from the famous book Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, and it recounts Alice's first sighting of the white rabbit and a fall in the rabbit hole. Look at this picture children. Remember till where we are read? Yes. Alice was sitting. See Alice. Alice was getting tired sitting by her sister on the bank. And her sister was reading a book. Alice, when she peeped in the book, she found there were no pictures or conversation. So, she started feeling bored. And she felt that there is no use of reading such book without pictures or conversation. Because children, children they like the book with the pictures and conversation. And it was a hot day. So she was feeling very sleepy and she was getting tired also. And she said now it is stupid to read such book. Then the thoughts were going on in her mind and she was thinking whether she should get the pleasure of making the daisy chain. For that she has to get up and pick up the daisies. And then suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes ran close by her. So let's read further to find what happened after that. Chapter 12 Down the Rabbit Hole. There was nothing so very remarkable in that. Nor did Alice think it so very much out of the way to hear the rabbit say to itself, oh dear, I shall be late." When she thought it over afterwards, it occurred to her that she ought to have wondered at this. But at the time it all seemed quite natural. But when the rabbit actually took a watch out of his waistcoat pocket and looked at it, and then hurried on, Alice started to her feet, for it flashed across her mind that she had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it. And burning with curiosity, she ran across the field after it, and fortunately was just in time to see it pop down a large rabbit hole under the hedge. So children, when she saw the rabbit close by her, so she didn't notice and she didn't find it any remarkable or something worth to be noticing or praising. But later on what happened is, she heard the rabbit saying to itself, oh dear, I shall be late." So if a rabbit, animal can speak. And then what happened is that the rabbit actually took a watch out of his waistcoat pocket and looked at it. So all this she was wondering now. And then what happened? She ran after the rabbit. She followed. And what happened is, because of the curiosity, that is a intense desire to find out, and she ran across the field after it. Fortunately, that is luckily, she was just in time to see rabbit pop down a large rabbit hole under the hedge. What is the meaning of hedge, children? Hedge means bushes or small trees grown very close together, like forming a boundary. In another moment, down went Alice after it, never once considering how in the world she was to get out again. The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some way, and then dipped suddenly down, so suddenly that Alice had not a moment to think about stopping herself before she found herself falling down a very deep well. Either the well was very deep, or she fell very slowly, for she had plenty of time as she went down to look about her and to wonder what was going to happen next. First, she tried to look down and make out what she was coming to, but it was too dark to see anything. Then she looked at the sides of the well and noticed that they were filled with cupboards and bookshelves. Here and there she saw maps and pictures hung up on pegs, She took down a jar from one of the shelves as she passed. It was labeled orange marmalade, but to her great disappointment, it was empty. She did not like to drop the jar for fear of killing somebody, so managed to put it into one of the cupboards as she fell past it. So what happened, children? In another moment, moment means very short time. Now rabbit popped down under that is large rabbit hole. And what the Alice did, she also down went the rabbit hole. And she even didn't consider or thought that how she would come out again or come out from that hole. And the rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel. Tunnel means underground passage. And she dipped suddenly down. So suddenly that she didn't got a time to think also, and she could not stop herself falling down a very deep well. And it was very deep, either the well was very deep or she fell very slowly, that she had plenty of time. Plenty means enough time, sufficient time, as she went down to look about her and to wonder what was going to happen next. So when she was falling also, either she was falling very slowly or the well was deep, that she got that time also to think or wonder what was going to happen next. And she tried to look down, but she was not able to see anything. The reason was it was too dark. And then she tried to look at the sides of the well, and what she found, that they were filled with cupboards and bookshelves. And then here and there she saw maps. Maps, in geography and all we use maps, and pictures hung upon pegs. Now what are pegs? Are the short piece, or you can say small piece of a wood or plastic or metal that we use to attach the things. And then she picked one jar. She took a jar from one of the shelves as she passed, and it was labeled. Labeled means marked. It was marked on that, labeled that orange marmalade. Now what is marmalade? Marmalade is like jam. How we use the jam? It is like that only, made of orange or grapes or lime. And for her, that is disappointment, or she got disappointed. Why she got disappointed? Because it was empty. And then what she did? She didn't drop it down because she was having that fear that maybe if she will drop down, she may kill somebody, or the small insects or somebody. So what she did, she tried to put it in one of the cupboards as she fell past it. Look at this picture, children. See Alice running after the rabbit, white rabbit with pink eyes. And the rabbit was running, and the rabbit ran close by her. And the rabbit said to itself, dear me, I am getting late. And then what happened? She also noticed that the rabbit was wearing waistcoat, and from the waistcoat pocket it took out a watch and was looking at it. So that she found it strange, and she was wondering, and she ran after it. And after the rabbit popped down a rabbit hole, and she also, in a moment, without thinking and all, she also went down the rabbit hole to find out. So much she was having the curiosity or intensity to know. Right, children? And then we know what happened. She fell down and it was a rabbit hole, but it was a, you can say, deep well. And either she was falling very slowly, or the well was, you can say, very deep. She tried to look down, but she was not able to see properly because it was too dark to see anything. And then she looked at the sides of the well, and they were filled with cupboards and bookshelves. And she also saw here and there were pictures and maps hung on with the pegs. Pegs, short piece of metal, wood or plastic, which we use to attach the things. And then she found one jar. And what was written on the jar, children? It was written orange marmalade. Marmalade we know, it's like jam. And then she was disappointed. Why? Because it was empty. Then she don't want to drop it down. So she tried to manage to keep in one of the shelves, one of the cupboards. And we will read further in the next session to find what happened after that. Comprehension. Answer these questions with reference to the contest. First one, oh dear, I shall be late. Remember children, Alice heard these words, right? Okay, so who is the speaker? Who said these words? Yes, the answer is the rabbit is the speaker. Who is the speaker? The rabbit is the speaker. Next question is, what was strange about it? Yes children, what was strange about it? Answer is, the rabbit wore a waistcoat, used a pocket watch and could speak. So this was a strange thing we can say about the rabbit. What was the strange thing? The rabbit wore a waistcoat, used a pocket watch and could speak. What did the speaker do next? Yes children, what did the speaker do next? Answer is, the rabbit took out his watch and saw the time and then ran across the field and popped down a rabbit hole. So the answer, the rabbit, what he did next? He took out his watch and saw the time and then ran across the field and popped down a rabbit hole. Answer these questions. What did Alice do when she saw the rabbit get into the large hole under the hedge? Yes children, what did Alice do when she saw the rabbit get into a large hole under the hedge? She also went down, right? So answer is, Alice followed the rabbit down the hole. Answer, Alice followed the rabbit down the hole. What did Alice notice on the sides of the well? Yes children, what was there on the sides of the well? Yes, there are cupboards and bookshelves. So answer is, Alice noticed that they were filled with cupboards and shelves. Why did she not like to drop the jar? Yes children, why did she not like to drop the jar? She did not like to drop the jar for the fear of killing somebody. Answer is, she did not like to drop the jar for fear of killing somebody. Write the synonym of marked. Yes children, what is the answer? Marked. Answer is labeled. Synonym of marked, labeled. Next is write antonym of. Antonym of full. Yes children, antonym of full. Answer is empty. Antonym of full, empty. Next is, she looked at the sides of the well. Pick out the prepositions. We have done prepositions children. She looked at the sides of the well. So answer is, which are the prepositions? Answer, one is at and another one is of. Answer is at, of, prepositions. So thank you children. We will stop here and we will continue in the next session. Sai Ram.